survive because of them, because of you, because of you who are outside there walking right now, and you support May 16. May 16 way, May 16 way, South Sudan way, Dr. John way, and historically, today, if Dr. John alive, what you gonna tell? If Dr. John alive, what he gonna see today? He will thank you. He will say thank you, my soldier of South Sudan. Dr. John is our leader. Even is not physically with us, but we still remember. He crying in the desert, calling for a change without not having anything to eat. He doesn't sleep. He always makes sure Sudan, everybody will have to have a freedom. That's what Dr. John fight for. That the SPLA right now. For those who are still out there thinking that the SPLA is changed, there is nothing changed. You're looking for a physician. And the SPLA identify. The war in South Sudan is not between the tribe. The SPLM leadership power struggle. And Dr. John has been telling the people for so long, we not to form the government, because if we form the government in Kaaba, everybody want to be in physician. And that's why he did something called قيادة الأولى بالنيابة. أي زول بيعمل بشوف نفسه بأنه رئيس، مش كده؟ أي زول يوم ده كان قائد مناو دكتور جون عمل الكلام ده لو خدت فيه منو كده بيكون في مشاكل. SPLA, this is your historical day. You coming to celebrate, and you coming to mark May 16 on 36 years. Now, if you count on 36 years, if I can tell right here, I have son, I have son back there. He was born in 2000, but look at now, he celebrates May 16 with us. You see? So, now I will call Brother Scholl of Treat Mayadit Center member in Arizona, Brother Scholl, so to remark your word.